Hey friends, I'm Sarah from thecharmingdetroiter.com and I'm back today with another video to show you guys my Black Friday haul. So if you're new around here, my name's Sarah. I'm from thecharmingdetroiter.com. I run a lifestyle blog where I share style tips and recipes and home decor and all kinds of stuff over there. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below, click the bell so you get notifications when I post new videos, and also head over to thecharmingdetroiter.com for more information. So today's video is going to be my Black Friday haul. So I'm pretty excited. I purchased a number of items from several different stores online today. I did not brave the in-store shopping experience today. So kudos to anybody who ended up doing that. I spent the morning online sharing deals with you guys on my blog, on my Instagram stories. So be sure that you head over there. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can follow me there also to make sure you don't miss any deals for this Black Friday sales, for Cyber Monday sales, and for any other sales throughout the year. So today I'm going to share with you guys what I purchased today on Black Friday 2019, and in the description below I'll put all the links to the items for you guys to check out for yourself too. So first up today is H&M. I purchased several items from them. Their sale today is 30% off all items online and in store, and most of the items that I purchased are still available in several different sizes online. Anything that you like today in the video, be sure that you go online and check it out right away because things are selling out really quick today. First up, I purchased this beige and black polka dot fine knit sweater. I love the polka dot pattern for the holidays. I think it'll be really cute with some jeans or even with some nicer pants for like a holiday party or other event. And I really like it because it comes from their Conscious line. So the material is polyester wool blend, but it's 100% recycled polyester. So they try to be a little bit more eco-friendly with some of their items, and I really appreciate that. This is on sale for 30% off, so only $14 today, so be sure that you grab that. They have a ton of other really cute sweaters on there, so if you're looking to stock up on sweaters for the winter season, H&M is your store to shop at today. So next up, I purchased this animal print pleated midi skirt. I'm really excited about this skirt. The website states that it has a bit of sheen to the material, so I think it's going to be really lovely for the winter, for a holiday party or other kind of dinner party event. I can see myself pairing this with either like an ivory sweater or a black sweater, maybe for an evening look, and some little leather booties, a little clutch bag. I think it'll be really cute. I also think this would be a really versatile piece throughout the year because in the spring or in the fall, you could pair it with a cami top, a button-down cardigan sweater, maybe some pumps, and a little cute bag, and I think that would be great for a spring event or a fall event too. The last item I purchased from H&M sale this year are these snakeskin brown ankle boots. These are so cute. I love the pointed toe on the boot, and I love the snakeskin print. I've been looking for a snakeskin print bootie for a little while now. I can see myself pairing these with jeans and a comfy sweater for a more casual look, or you could dress it up with a skirt or even a dress and tights for the winter. So I think this is a really great way to add a little bit of pattern and interest to your outfits without being like too overboard with the animal print theme. Next up is the J. Crew factory sale. So their sale right now is 50% off all full price items and 60% off all of their clearance items. Now I will warn you, the clearance items are going really fast this year, so there's a chance that the items that I purchased won't be available any longer. However, there's a lot of other great things on there, so be sure that you stock up as soon as you can get on there. So first up, I purchased this faux leather drawstring crossbody bag. I really love this look. I purchased it in the camel color. It's only $16 right now on the website, and I think it's going to be a really cute tote bag for kind of casual spring, summer looks. I really like how it has the tassel detail on the drawstring part of it. I really like that it has a crossbody style because with a baby and all of the baby stuff and only two hands, that means that a messenger bag style allows me to put it on my shoulder or across my body, and I have my hands free and available for whatever else is needed of me at the time. When I purchased this bag, they also had it available in black still, so that's another great option maybe for the winter also. The other item that I purchased from the J. Crew factory sale was this Feliz Navidad t-shirt. I think it's a really cute and casual look for the holiday season. I can picture myself wearing it under a cardigan or a blazer with some jeans and some flats. I think it's actually going to be a really cute look for when we go to Disney World next month. Next up, I purchased one item from the J. Crew sale this year. They have 50% off all of their full price items if you use the promo code Friday today. So last year I had my eye on their Veil Parka wool coat, and I never really got around to purchasing it. I was looking to purchase it in their camel color. So this year they have the Chateau Parka, and this is a very similar style coat. It's a wool coat, comes in a lot of different colors, and has a fur-lined hood. And so I purchased it in camel. I also think it would be really cute in gray or black for the winter. They also have a lot of really pretty colors for the spring or the fall. They have red, yellow. They have a gorgeous lilac color, which I'm kind of obsessed with, but I can't justify buying two wool coats right now. If you're also looking for a really great quality winter coat that comes in a lot of different color options for this season, then check out the J. Crew sale because they have this coat available in a lot of sizes, a lot of colors right now, and it's half off. So next up, I purchased a couple of things from Banana Republic also. Today they're having 50% off all of their full priced items. And if you are a card member, you also get an extra 10% off as usual. So that's up to 60% off your purchases today. So first up, I purchased this pair of white leather ankle booties. I'm pretty excited about them. I've been looking for a pair of white leather booties for a while now. I think it's a really great way of lightening up an outfit when you still want to wear boots. So I picture myself pairing this with either jeans and a sweater or some nice pants or a nice skirt for like a work look or a holiday look. I think these boots will be perfect not just in the fall and the winter, but also in that like late winter, early spring kind of time of the year where it's still pretty cold, still pretty chilly. It could definitely potentially snow here still. So that'll be a really great option for lightening up those kind of springtime outfits too. The second item I purchased from Banana Republic was this giraffe print midi dress. So I'm really obsessed with animal print. Some of you guys from my blog might know that. My husband definitely knows that. I actually don't own anything that is a giraffe print yet. So this midi dress I think is just perfect for the winter. I see myself pairing it with a pair of suede boots. So I really love the style of this dress. First of all, I really like the midi length of it. That makes it really appropriate for not just casual kind of everyday wear, but it also makes it more appropriate for work or like an evening out. This dress also features a built-in belt around the waist, which is nice because it cinches you in at the waist. And it also features a shirt dress style at the neckline. So I'm really excited to add this to my wardrobe. I picture myself pairing it with either a pair of brown or black leather boots, maybe a felt fedora. So I think it's going to be really great for the fall and the winter. So next up is the Nordstrom sale. I purchased a couple of items from the sale as well. They have a really great sale going on right now for Black Friday. They're offering 50% off a number of great winter items on their website. Also a lot of items that will make great Christmas gifts. So be sure that you head over to thecharmingdetroiter.com where you can see not only my recent Black Friday mega post of all of the sales that are going on, that includes my Nordstrom sale favorites, but also you can check out my 2019 holiday gift guide, which includes a ton of items that are great gifts from Nordstrom and some of which are on sale right now. And so head over there to check that out. So the first item I purchased from this sale was the Cole Haan Willow boot in black suede leather. And I'm really excited to add this. I was looking for a chunky block heel suede boot to add to my wardrobe. In addition to the block heel, they feature a pointed toe, which gives a kind of like a Western cowboy vibe that I like, but also it's still really modern and polished and refined for, 2019. It's something that you can wear with jeans or with leggings or with a skirt or a dress. Very versatile piece. I can actually see myself pairing it with the giraffe print dress from Banana Republic that I purchased also today. And the Cole Haan boots are usually a little pricier, so this is the perfect time to buy them because they're 50% off. So at $350 retail price, this is when you want to try to add them to your wardrobe if you're looking for a similar item. My only concern is that some of the comments from the website stated that the calf of the boot is a little bit wide, and so I have fairly slim calves, so I'm a little bit concerned about that. So I'll have to see trying them on if they fit or not. I will make sure that I do a try on my Instagram stories when I get them in the mail so that you guys can see too if you're considering adding something like this to your wardrobe. The other item I purchased from the Nordstrom sale is the Topshop Carly jacket. I'm really excited about this piece. It's super cute. I was looking for an ivory colored coat to add to my wardrobe, and so at 40% off, this was perfect. I purchased the oatmeal color, but I also had my eye on the heathered gray color. They have, let's see, 6 different colors, and they're really cute colors. They have a gorgeous like light pink color that I loved too. I was between the oatmeal and the gray marl color. The gray marl color is a really nice option too if you don't want to add like a white coat to your wardrobe, but you still want something that's a lighter color. The gray marl color is a pretty light color too, and so that would be another really great option. So the last couple of items that I purchased were from T3. I actually purchased these yesterday because they started their sale. They are offering an additional 25% off all of their items right now on their website in addition to the current sale price. So I was able to pick up 2 of my interchangeable curling rod barrels for a great price. I have the tapered T3 barrel right now and I'm obsessed with it. It curls my hair so quickly. I have super thick coarse hair and it takes me a really long time. It's always taken me a really long time to curl my hair. This is the first curling rod that I've owned that I can curl my hair in probably half the time, I would say. It takes me much less time to curl my hair and get ready, which is great when you have a newborn baby and getting yourself ready is no longer a priority usually. So I picked up 2 more barrels. They're normally $100 and they're offering 25% off their sale prices. So if you're looking to purchase another barrel or if you're looking to upgrade your curling wand, this is the time to do it. Make sure you get the convertible base and then also whichever rod you want. I got the 1-inch barrel and then also the 1.5-inch barrel. The 1.5-inch barrel is kind of more of a loose wave, more of a beachy wave kind of look. And then the 1-inch barrel is for more tight, refined curls look. So there you have it, my 2019 Black Friday haul video. I'm pretty excited about all of the items that I purchased. There's a couple of items that I have to try on and see if they are going to work for my wardrobe, specifically those Cole Han boots with a potentially wider calf area, so we'll see if those fit correctly or not. I'm going to make sure to do a try-on of some of these items over on my Instagram stories, so if you want to head over to your Instagram app and follow me, The Charming Detroiter, so that you don't miss any of that content. And then also be sure to hit the big red subscribe button below and click the bell to turn on notifications for my videos, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and if you want to see more videos like this. So that's going to do it for today's video. I will see you guys next time, and happy Black Friday shopping!